Gary is the name of my father, and also he loves food and drinks. So I was inspired of his being independent and being resourceful, of doing extra mile just to make things possible. Actually, the first concept of having this kind of beer is that I want to be yung bagang makakonect sa mga tao. What is beer to us is something to be part of our culture. Since the beer or the cerveza itself should be part of the table of each may fiesta, celebration, we must be also giving ourselves freedom to choose the taste. So this is the chance for us to express our being creativeness and being resourceful. So, Filipina Blonde Ale, I want yung drink na very madaling inumin, easy to drink. My blonde ale is basically at 5%. Yeah, sometimes nagiging up to 6, depende yun sa panahon na nag-ferment ako. But most likely, average is around 5%. Yung Toasted Amber Ale natin, it's a different character nung ginawa ko sa Filipina Blonde Ale. So, this one has a little bit more body, and as a character of toasted caramel and toffee flavor without sacrificing syempre yung alcohol. So meron siyang hint ng konting caramel and vanilla. It's 4.2 to 5, yeah. So it's like sessionable, it's easy to drink as well. Mostly I'm only on small batches. Mabilis siyang maubos. I always make sure that every small batches is on good quality.
Cañonero is actually taken from yung landmark from Puerto Galera kasi ako I'm from Puerto Galera, from Oriental Mindoro. Meron siya dong landmark, ang nakalagay doon is Cañonero de Mariveles. Actually, it's a memory for yung galyon na lumubog doon sa loob ng Muelle Bay sa Puerto Galera. So I saw the landmark, tapos yun ang inadapt kong pangalan. I have 4 brews here, Varadero, Minolo, Escarceo, and Malasimbo. For the brands also, yan yung mga old names sa places sa Puerto Galera. Before yung mga White Beach, so it's called Varadero Bay, Minolo Bay, Escarceo Point, and Malasimbo yung bundok. So I have here wheat beer, mga personal favorite ko, light siya. Minolo is about amber ale. Escarceo is yung favorite ko, personal favorites, is a hazy IPA. And of course, Malasimbo, yung gusto nung medyo double the strength, 7.0 alcohol level. There are people that really, they like yung paglapit sa iyo agad, they ask, alin ba dyan yung matapang, alin ba yung malakas? I came from food industry. Yes, so pagkatapos na naisip ko, tapos na sa food, yung iniinom naman. I used to work with the brands Ladies Choice, Knorr. It was easy for me to shift to this kind of hobby. Nag-start naman siya, parang personal favorite ko. If I entertain guests, so I wanted something new naman na instead na bigyan mo sila ng beer, yung wine, or yung mga mamahaling brandy, I wanted to something na personal. Hello, sa mga beer lovers dyan, you should try another kind of beer. See to it kung ano magiging favorite nyo. And then from there, you can stick on it or keep on trying. Madami kayong matitikman na kakaiba when it comes to craft beers.
Parima bukti papi Pedro, come Pedro ka na naman dyan. Gano kita dyan sa lababo, nilaglag mo yung baso ko. Di ko kayang magalit pero paborito ko yung ceramic ang tragic. Bakit Pedro binasag mo ang puso ko?
Berry Happy's, dun nang galing lahat ng like yung specialty coffee is nang galing sa berry. So siya yung nagiging coffee beans. And then yung happy naman, hops, is dun naman yung beer. Kaya siya naging Berry Happy. Basically, nag-start ako kasi sa specialty coffee. Pero nung mga past few years pa, way back, 2019, nakatikim ako ng craft beer, Pampanga, Angeles. So yung mga brewers na nakikita ko doon is mga foreigner. So sabi ko, pag once na may makita ako na magtuturo ng craft beer, talagang 100% mag-aaral ako. So yun nga, last year, na-meet ko si Sir Philip, which is the owner of Craft Beer Sanctuary. So nag-enroll ako sa kanya. And then yun, dire-diretso na. Talagang yung na-hook na ako dito sa paggawa ng craft beers. Alright, so yung Very Happy Ale, ayan yung una kong sariling ingredients. So ako yung nag-formulate ng mga ingredients, gaano kadami, ano yung mga hops na gagamitin, paano ko ipapasok, anong luto, basta paano ihuhulog sa habang binubrew ko yung coffee. So akin tong ingredients na to. And then yung the rest naman, ayan yung mga natututunan ko kila Sir Philip. Yes, crush ale. Masya yung aroma niya, grabe. Dito na inlove ako rito. And then yung blonde ale, which is easy to drink, pero nagkaroon siya ng twist. Aroma, yung itsura niya, lasa. So easy to drink lahat ng mga ano ko ngayon, binibenta ko ngayon. And the good thing about the craft beer is hindi siya bloated, hindi mabigat sa tiyan. Yung sa mga may mga rayuma or ano, pwede pa rin ang craft beer. All natural, walang preservatives, freshly brewed. Yes, yan ang isa pa sa pinakamaganda sa craft beer.
It has chili in the name.
That's the first one to have some of it. Bagay. Ay, galing. Ay, ang galing.
So, ibig sabihin rolling barrel, we want na yung movement ng craft beer dito is we distribute it. Pero yung traditional way, yung sinerch namin dati, they roll the barrels talaga or dala nila barrel no? Gusto namin medyo old school and then classic style. We started actually 2024. Yung story kasi nun, no, nag-anniversary kami ng girlfriend ko and then galing kami sa place sa Tagaytay na wine lang yung sineserve. Ako kasi hindi ako wine drinker. So after namin dun, sabi ko baka pwedeng daan tayo ng may beer. And then I search sa Google, biglang nag-pop up pa yung Santiago's pa siya before eh. Sabi ko, try lang tayo isang glass or what. Pagpunta ko doon, uminom na ako and then sinabi ko talaga, ito totoong lasa ng beer. No? Sabi niya, nag-offer daw sila ng classes. So na-intrigue ako, umattend ako ng class mga September ata ng 2023. Nag-fully commit talaga ako into brewing. Ni-launch ko siya ng 2024. And then after nun, yun na. Sa garage ka ako may nagsa-start. Hindi ko pa pinapangalanan, it's not for sale. Ako, for sariling consumption. Tsaka sa mga friends, ganyan. XPA, technically an XPA kasi is an Australian style siya, umusbong sa Australia. Ang standard niya kasi is dapat 5.5 below eh. Yung yeast kong nagamit is very dry pala siya mag-finish. So tumaas yung alcohol, 6.7, which is the standard is dapat 5.55%. India Pale Lager. So it's not your ordinary lager. It's more of a happy lager. So purely super delic hops lang gamit ko from New Zealand. And then Stout Box, of course, by the name itself. I used coffee, Robusta mixed with Arabica. Kinold brew ko siya. And then nilagay ko siya sa stout. Para sa akin, ang sa brewing is para siyang sugal. Sabihin natin 6 to 8 hours to produce yung product. Fermentation, it takes 1 to 2 weeks. By that time, doon mo palang malalaman kung drinkable, infected or drinkable yung beer mo. So ibig sabihin nun, gumastos ka ng malaki for ingredients, you exerted effort, and then after 3 to 4 weeks, hindi pala drinkable yung beer mo. Kasi sayang yung effort eh. Kaya kami talaga pag magbubrewing dapat pina-follow kaming food safety palagi. So sanitize lagi para sure na hindi infected yung beer. So same lang din sa sugal. Pero sa sugal kasi ang baba ng chance manalo eh.
When everything is getting kind of groovy, you call me up and ask me would I like to go with you and see a movie. First I say no, I got some plans for tonight, and then I stop.
Cheers.
So we started we had a class sa Cubao X, and then it's a 101 class. We started with a simple recipe, and then right now we're experimenting with different flavors. So right now we have a New Zealand Pale Ale and then Session Ale. Bali, what we have now is mostly using New Zealand hops.
So, why did we choose yung Ciclo Brewery as our name? So, we want to be part of the cycle ng craft beer scene. Hopefully, as we grow and as we learn, we want to offer something unique. Tagline namin is, reimagine the cycle. Craft beer itself, may cycle siya on how you brew. So far, yung something unique na we tried or experimented was from Mabruhay. So we offered yung Turon-inspired beer namin. And then another one is strawberry, pero I think mas more unique yung Turon, especially for Filipino. One part of incorporating yung Turon flavor is naglagay kami nung langka.
Nag-experiment ako or kami within the, I think madami akong naging inspiration with the lumpia flavor. So at least when you drink the beer, may nagsabi sa amin, uy, Turon nga siya. Magkakaroon kami ng I think additional na version or another version parang to get it more consistent.
So we're inviting lahat ng mga manginginom. There's more to beer than lager. So explore not only our brand, Ciclo Brewery. There's much to offer in terms of beer, lalo na craft beer scene. Please try. Please try. Please try. May question mark. Please try.
It's inside my heart.